Okay, so if you've been scrolling through social media at all recently, you know exactly what we're talking about today.
Right.
The View London bra. It has just gone completely viral. I mean, we're talking over 50,000 people sharing clips of it.
And the claims are huge. It's not just lift and shape. It's supposed to rewrite the laws of gravity.
Right.
And that kind of hype, the kind that promises something physically impossible that immediately sets off our deep dive radar. The marketing felt almost mysteriously polished.
A little too good to be true.
Exactly.
Mhm.
So our mission today is pretty simple. We cut through all that noise to figure out if these massive claims actually hold up.
Claims like wireless support, all-day comfort, breathability.
And reliable stability, all the things you'd want.
It sounds perfect, and yet 50,000 people sharing it. I mean, that gap between the promise and the public interest, that's what we really wanted to dig into.
So we started where most people would, right?
Yeah.
On the company's official website.
Yeah.
And that's where the first major red flag popped up for us, the official reviews.
They were a little too perfect.
Suspiciously perfect. It's the uniformity,
Yeah.
There's none of the usual range of critique you'd see in genuine feedback.
Okay.
But then, when we stepped outside their own bubble, outside their carefully managed pages, that's where we found the chaos.
It's a complete contradiction. We found buyers saying it was the softest thing they've ever worn.
Mm-hmm.
And then in the next tab, someone is claiming the item arrived looking like a completely different product.
The inconsistency was just wild.
Hmm.
And when you see that, you start looking for patterns. This isn't just a one-off error. It's just something more fundamental is going on.
We basically found three big operational red flags. First, the company is always pushing these heavy discounts.
Which can sometimes signal that they're trying to clear out, inconsistent stock.
Exactly. Second, the sizing charts looked way too simple for a garment that needs to be precise.
Yeah, that's a huge one.
And third, you look at the actual customer photos and the quality, especially the stitching, it just raised a lot of eyebrows about how long it would last.
And all of those patterns lead directly to the main problem, the actual fit, the experience of wearing it.
Right.
All those claims about comfort and stability, they just fall apart because so many customers are reporting the sizing runs dramatically smaller than what's advertised.
Dramatically, to the point where people said they got orders that looked like an entirely different category of bra.
And at that point, any promise of stability or all-day comfort is just, it's impossible. That's where the marketing illusion really shatters.
So what's the final verdict here? What does this mean for you, the listener?
Our bottom line is that View London isn't like a pure scam, but it's operating in this really unpredictable zone.
So a gamble.
It is.
Mm-hmm.
Some buyers might get lucky and receive what was promised, but it seems like a huge number of people are getting a product that feels mass-produced, is wildly inconsistent, and is nowhere near the right fit.
So it's a really powerful lesson in being critical about what you see online. We did the work so you don't have to learn this lesson the hard way and, waste your money.
And this brings up a really important question for you to think about going forward. If marketing is everywhere, how much faith should you really put in those suspiciously perfect reviews you see on a company's own site?
Versus the chaotic and contradictory feedback you find everywhere else.
Exactly. Always question the source.